Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. I'm Katrina Marie, and I'm here to make sure that you become the very best possible applicant before you click submit. And if you are looking for one-to-one coaching, I invite you to check out the links below because I promise you that working with me is going to add so much value to your life and the college application process. I do charge a fee for my consultation, but just know that that fee goes to your overall package if you do decide to work with me. So let's jump into today's video of why employers are not looking at the name of the university that you went to. So many of my students that have worked with me in the past, they have said to me when they first started out applying to college, like, hey, I want to go to a good university. And my first question always is what is a good university? What does that actually mean to you? And what they say to me is that that means it's a highly ranked university. The academics are good. It means different things to different people. But they never actually talk about, safety, location. They never talk about, the price of how much it's going to cost. They're never going to talk about the skill sets, the research opportunities, or the internship opportunities. There's so much more to universities and colleges than just rankings and academics. Like, this is where you're going to live, people. This is where you're going to be spending 3 to 4 years of your life. And if you are not taking advantage of all the amazing opportunities that are available to you in that space, it can be just totally a waste of time. Again, like sometimes just going to college and getting a degree isn't enough. And so employers at the end of the day, what they are looking for are the skill sets you have. Not only the hard skills, but the soft skills as well. Teamwork, collaboration, communication, time management, balance, all of these different soft skills, plus the hard skills of, something very specific to the job that you're applying for. These are key things that employers are looking at when they're looking at your resume, when they're interviewing you, and even considering to hire you. So the name of your university could mean actually only this much, when in reality, it's the skills that you will get from whatever it is that you're doing while you're in college. So if I can give you any piece of advice, if you are a high school student, a college student, or a professional, I want to invite you to think about how can I get the skills so that it can leverage me to have better opportunities for myself. Knowledge is one thing. Like, we all need theoretical approaches and knowledge, but the hands-on experience, the skill sets, the nitty-gritty nuances of knowing what to do in times of critical thinking, high pressure situations, communication, thought processes, all of these things really make a difference and can make or break you getting a job or connecting with the right people or getting opportunities handed to you, literally handed to you. So I want to invite you to okay, think about which universities are going to give you the best possible opportunities that make sense for you, you guys, because everybody's looking for different things. There's no same experience for any two students. Like, every student that I've worked with has been so individualized, so personalized that this channel only can give so much general information. So it comes down to your research, your needs. I would like for you to write down what it is that I actually really need, like truly need out of a college experience. Is that friendship? Is that community? Is that, professors that I can talk to on my lunch break? Is that, scholarship opportunity? Like, what is it that you need? And then start thinking about what else do I want in addition to these needs, right? Needs are different than wants. So think about your wants, and is that internship opportunities that are connected to certain industries? Is that certain courses that are really going to give me different skill sets that are different than my major? Is the university going to give me study abroad experiences? What is it that you absolutely want in addition to your needs? So this is super important. And then what you do is you package it in your resume and your cover letter when you're applying for colleges and universities. Now, when you apply to college, that's usually in your essay, that's usually in your activities list, that's usually in, different capacities of the application. But if you're already in college, then again, you're going to be looking at starting a job or even going on to graduate school. So these are things that you really need to be thinking about, are the skills. So do not forget this critical thing that employers are looking for. It is not just the degree, you guys. Okay, that's part of it. Like, having a degree on your resume could help you or may help you have an advantage to other people. It's relative, right? But really, what skills do you bring? Because if you don't have the skills, employers are going to look at you like, what is this? What is this? And I'm being completely honest with you. This is the reality of this global world, this global job market. You need to have skills. So start today. And if you need help with that, again, my links are down below. You can book a consultation call with me. I'm happy to help you. I'm here to support you and make sure that you become the very best possible applicant before you click submit. And I also want to invite you that if you are needing support with mock interviews, if you need resume help, if you're applying for undergraduate degrees, master's degrees, I'm here for all of it, right? If you took some time off, if you want to go back to school, all of the above, please, please, please know that someone is out there looking to support someone just like you, because I've been there. I know exactly what it takes to get into any university literally around the world. I've helped students matriculate to thousands of universities that you've probably never even heard of, countries you've never even thought about, and I know what it takes to get in. So I hope this information helped you. I hope you're feeling empowered, and I hope you know that it is all about the skills, not just the degree that you are going after. So I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.